I want you to tell me why I should vote for Marthone.
Well, I've been campaigning on behalf. First and foremost, my name is Frank Shaw Francois. I also am a Queens County Committee elected official. I believe that Joseph Marthone is currently the best man for the job. Um, he's committed to many reforms that we here in Southeast Queens need. He calls himself, and I believe it too, that he is the people's champion. He is a champion of change. He wants to make sure that we in Southeast Queens get our fair share of monies in order to improve our schools. He wants to make sure that the banks are held accountable for the housing crisis that they helped create. He wants to put an end to the police brutality and a stop and frisk. That, along with many other agendas, makes me believe that Joseph Marthone is the best candidate for the job. So get out and vote. In Congressional District number 5, Joseph Marthone.
Okay, please tell my Haitian brothers the reason why they should elect one of their brothers for that representation. Could you tell them what what's in it for them?
Well, we need somebody that's going to represent us, that understands us and has come from a similar background as we have. If you do nothing but continuously elect rich politicians that cannot identify with your problems, your issues, and your struggles, you're not adequately being represented. So I would say to the Haitian community, get out and vote for Cambria Heights' own Joseph Marthone, the people's champion.
All right, Shaw, thank you so much, man.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome, brother.
Doing it for Haiti and for our people back home. Much has been said about the things that we need to do here and the need to galvanize Haitians, the need for us to be more united than we are, the need for us to show our collective strength. Well, I will share with you that if your heart, as you are here for this organization, for Zarabi, is also in helping Haiti, in helping Haitians, in making a difference back home, then what I will share with you is that we need to gain political empowerment here. Above and beyond that, it's going to take more than just Carrie. It's going to take more than just me. And I will tell you that right now. It may even take some of you to make the decision to give us a voice. Right now, we don't have a voice in Washington. We don't have a voice in Albany. And on the Democratic, as I'm a Democrat, I hope that's okay with everyone. No. But as I'm a Democrat, I also embrace my Haitian brothers and sisters who are Republicans. Because at the end of the day, we were Haitian before we were anything else. Part of the broader vision is that there's going to be more of us pursuing elective office. More of us taking the responsibility to give the communities in which we live a voice. We've done everything else in America. We've done everything else for America. And I say that to say that Haitians were the first free Africans to step foot on the land that is called these United States, other than the Africans that were enslaved.